So as you can see, I am shelving books on my campus site and learning the Dewey Decimal System, uh, where to put the book correctly according to the number, and then try to match it up with the color dot if possible, or with the author. So as you can see, it's taking me a little bit. And doing this with one hand was kind of tricky. Um, it was also kind of hot in the library, so that was my site supervisor. So I'm going to try to put this on mute and kind of talk my way through this. I'm still doing, now I've moved to the 500, and this section is more science related. As you can see, there's color dots. Um, some of the books are little walkers, like lopsided. So as I'm moving along through it, I'm also trying to pick it up or make it look nice and neat. There's some of the Dewey numbers. I'm really glad that my librarian, I mean, my site supervisor had a car, because then it was easier to like push along and take all the books that I needed instead of just going back and forth and grabbing. I think what takes longer is the nonfiction section, especially the Dewey. But the way that my site supervisor does it is like there's a little white label strip in front of the shelf that says, this is the number 500, and it'll go to 515 or something like that. So at least you're in that section. Oh, there's some books down. Right now, my main concentration is finding the spot. So at least I'm getting the practice. It was also picture day, so the photographers are trying to pick up their stuff. Let's see what else I can find. Not a very good picture of me. I'm still in the Dewey, but now these sections are divided into sports, uh, science topics like animals, and then poetry, historic events, and luckily there's like big bolded posters like you saw. Um, Let me zoom back. Oh, not a good picture. Right there. So this right here was the 800. No. Okay. All right. I might have lost it. Oh, there's the 800. Come back. All right. So there's the 800, and right here is a label for poetry, and there's sports. I'm also talking to my site supervisor in um, the tech para Asia, but I want to keep my conversation private, so I'm going to be talking over certain parts. Not that we're bad people or anything. I just want to keep certain things private. And I think we're good for elementary stocking. Oh, I'm still in the Dewey. We had a lot of Dewey. Right there, I thought that book was more of a graphic novel, but it could either go in the graphic novel section because it's very um, comic book style, or I can keep it in the sports section, nonfiction. At least that's what my site supervisor said. The library got hit kind of hard that day with pictures and in between open circulation.